Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namo Narayanaya, Jai Shri Ram, Om Shri Matre Namaha. It is finally a wrap with the Sri Vishnu Sahasranamavali painting. 1 year old, 139 hours of work, and of course, many hours of research into the names and vlogging as well. That's another story. But of course, on the canvas, 139 hours. And in between this 1 year, there was a lot of detour that Vishnu took me into. Hayagrivar Arul, Varaha Devi, the Sri Chakra painting, Shakti Krida recently. So, where else? He's been taking me into different places and I am just following him, I think. I feel blessed to be led by this energy and to be in this moment. So very thankful and grateful to all the gurus and all the supporters for the patience and encouragement, the kind words, and also guidances, material guidance on what to do and when to do and such. All the questions, all stupid questions that I ask get answered on priority, which I totally appreciate. So what is the next step? Of course, right now, I did take immediately, I took a picture and I did share it with my gurus, waiting for their feedback. I will kickstart the high resolution image taking as soon as possible, and for all the paintings, and start testing with the high resolution prints. The other three paintings, I know that they will be fairly okay with the color adjustments for Canon and so. But for this, I am, I'm mentally prepared that if need be, I might have to rework a little bit on the writing part of it, because calligraphy is something I also learned only recently. Now that I'm comfortable with calligraphy, but still, how will the print look like? Will it miss something or so? I have to check. So I want to do that as well. And in case the writings will have to be redone, I will do it and then launch the prints for this painting alone. But the other paintings, after the color testings are done, possibly we can have the launch, and you will start the updates in the Glaze Studio website as well. The website has been sleeping for a long time now. I think the last update I made, I don't remember, it was possibly and the Sitaramam painting, and after that I did not do anything. So I'm going to update the links with all the print content that is getting ready in the coming days. What else? I am truly lost for words at this point. There is one large painting that I am still working on. I started out earlier this year that I couldn't touch at all. That's the Shiva Parvati with baby or Palamurugan, Balaganesha and Bala Shokusundari. That's the painting that I would possibly, continue doing until, another message comes up, erupts from somewhere to do anything else. Yeah, it's just divine guidance, and I truly, put my hands up and follow whatever comes my way happily. So that will be the largest painting that I will, large painting, canvas painting that I will continue working on, because others seem to be, Aside from that, of course, my own family paintings are also in the wait, they are in the hanging. So yeah, I'd like to work on that large canvas and this family paintings for the rest of the year, if he allows. That's the idea, and because ILC related work is already consuming a lot of energy and time. So just to keep the painting going in the evenings, I would like to continue with that, and maybe not end up making any bigger commitments. That's the plan for at least, the rest of 2025. I plan, and he definitely replans. You never know. So that's it from my side. Thank you again. Stay blessed, stay happy, stay healthy, stay motivated. Until we meet next time. Om Shri Matre Namaha.